Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Zoom host option. So let's get into the video. But before we get into the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. Now let's get into the video. Now as you can see, I have my own Zoom meeting. So the first option you may see is the reaction. So let's say somebody in your meeting has said something impressive. So then you can add the clapping emoji or the thumbs up emoji. You also have record. You can record your meeting. You also have share screen. Only the host can share screen. But if you give permission to your participant to share their screen, then they can. I'll show you that later. You also have chat. You can chat with everyone. Have everyone here. Or if you have your friends, you can only text your friends here by clicking on their name. We also have participants. So as you can see, I only have one participant. That's me. You can mute your participants, rename your participants, you can etc. because you can do a lot of things with your participants. Now you can also stop the video if you want. Now going on from participants, we have security. Now you can lock the meeting. Locking the meeting means no one else can enter into the meeting. So no one else can enter in your meeting. You also have able waiting room. That means if you have started your meeting yet, your participant will wait in the meeting room. You can also have allow participants to. So now this is what I was talking about. You can allow your participants to share their screen, but you can only give them permission. I'm disabled share screen right now, but I'll allow it for now. You can also disable chat, so no one in your meeting can be distracted by the chat. So you can disable it. You can also allow your participant to rename themselves and unmute themselves. You can disable both of them if you want. You can also start your video and unmute your video. That's it. Hope this helped you in many ways, and if it did, please subscribe and hit the like button. Now, see you in the next video. Bye!